Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for Unit 4, Day 28. And for today's lesson, it's a little bit different because today is Chinese New Year. And it's based on the lunar calendar, so based on the moon cycle instead of the sun cycle. So we're going to be learning how to write 1 through 100 in Chinese. Today's notes are dedicated to Diego Lopez in 6C. Hi Diego. So go ahead and with your pencil or your pen, or if you have a thin tip marker, that works really well too. So here are our numbers 1 through 10. Go ahead and write the number 1 on the left. That's what we're going to start with. And writing the number 1 is really easy. You just want to go from left to right, and it's just one stroke. Just like that. And the way that we say this in Chinese is E, just like that. So left to right. Left to right, this is the number 1. Super easy, just like that. Okay, now let's go into the number 2. Go ahead and write the number 2 on the left here. And this is going to be 2 strokes, and again you want to go from left to right. So from left to right at the top, and then left to right on the bottom. The way that we say this in Chinese is er. E, er. Left to right. Just like that. Super easy. 3, same pattern. This is now the number 3. It's going to be 3 strokes. We go left to right again. We start from the top and then go to the bottom. So the top one, the middle one, and the bottom. We're going left to right. And the way that we say this in Chinese is san. So 1 is yi, 2 is er, 3 is san. Alright, let's try number 4 now. Okay, so 4. 4 is a little bit trickier. First you want to make a box. The way we make the box is starting with the left, go from the top to the bottom. That stroke right here. Then go right, down. Then you do this little mark here, then this little mark here, and then close the box going left to right. And the way we say this in Chinese is si. 4 is si. Next is 5. The way that we say 5 is wu, wu. You start at the top, going left to right, then you go down, then you do this stroke right here, right, and then down, and then across, just like that. I'll let you finish that on your own. I'm going to keep going. 6. 6, the way we say 6 in Chinese is liu, liu. You start with the top, then you go across, and then you do the left side and then the right side. The top, across, left, right. This is the number 6, liu. I'll let you finish that one on your own. And now let's do 7. 7, the way that we say that is chi, chi. You go left to right first, and then you go swoop, and then a little tick at the end. Left to right, and then a swoop and a tick. Just like that. I'll let you finish that on your own. And then 8. The way that we say 8 in Chinese is ba, ba. You just do the left stroke and then the right stroke. Just like that. So always pay attention to the stroke order and the direction of the strokes. Number 9. The way that we say 9 is jiu, jiu. You go from the top, go down like that, then you come across, and then you go around, up, down, across, around, up. 10. 10 is also pretty easy. The way that we say it is shi, shi. You go across from left to right, and then down from the top to the bottom. Alright, take whatever time you need to finish the rest of these so you can practice writing the numbers 1 through 10. And now that we know how to write 1 through 10, we're going to turn the page. And now we're going to start writing numbers with multiple digits. Okay, so here's a reminder. Here's how you wrote the numbers 1 through 10. Now, for the number 10, that's right here, right? That's how we write 10. Now, if we want to write the number 20, we just think of it as 2 groups of 10. It's 2 groups of 10, so that would mean it's 2 tens, so we would write the number 2 and then the number 10. So 2 groups of 10, that's how we write 20. 30, that's like 3 groups of 10, so we'd say 3 tens. 40, similar thing, that's 4 groups of 10, so we write the number 4. And then 10. 5, that's 5 groups of 10, so 50 would be 5, 10. All right, I think you can finish the rest on your own to get from 60 to 90. And when you're ready, then you can join me back here at 47. How would we write 47? So 47 is first, 40 is 4 groups of 10. So you write 4, and then 10, and then you have 7 ones at the end, so then you have 7, right? 7 is, this is how we write 7. So it's 4, then 10, then 7. For 39, that's 3 groups of 10, so 3 groups of 10, and then 9. You can go back, right? That's how we write 9, 9. So that's 39. 21. So 20 is 2 groups of 10. So 2, 10, 2 groups of 10, and then 1. That's how we write 21. All right, I think you can finish the rest of this on your own. Remember, like, so 99 is 9 groups of 10 and then 9 ones. And let's take a look at the bottom now. So the character for 100 is by, that's how we say it, and it looks like this. Our stroke order, here's our stroke order. You go the top first from left to right. And this little mark here, then here, then like that, then left to right here, and left to right here. So here, 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 here. So you can practice that a couple times. And that's how you write 100. Now, if you want to write a number like 145, here's what you would do. You write 100, so 1, and then 100. And then 40, you know how to write 40 from up at the top of your paper. That's 4 groups of 10. So 4 10s, and then a 5. So it's like 1 group of 100, then 4 groups of 10, then a 5. 381, right? So that's 3 groups of 100. So you're going to go 3 and then 100. Oops, sorry, that's how you write 100. And then 8 groups of 10. So 8, 10, and then 1. That's how you would write 381 in Chinese. All right, now I want you to try 976 and 354. That you can also try on your own. All right, so that's our lesson from today. I know it's a little bit different, but I just wanted to share some of my language with you, and I hope you enjoyed it.